This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to fix your coffee maker single serve reservoir if it's leaking. When I take this off, it's going to have a bunch of water underneath it. You can see all that water there. Alright, first step is you want to unplug your coffee maker. And if you have a filter, go ahead and remove that. So we're going to take some vinegar, just plain white distilled vinegar, tipped Q-tip here, and I'm just going to kind of push it around in here. There's an O-ring that we're going to try to clean off. Sometimes sediment or debris can get down in there. I just want to make sure this is good and cleaned out. The next step is to run some vinegar water through the machine. So you need to do it in a ratio of 2 parts water to 1 part vinegar. I'm going to plug the machine back in, replace the reservoir. Now I want to run 2 cycles through on the largest setting you have. So mine is 10 ounces, so we'll run a 10-ounce cup twice through. It was still leaking, so it dawned on me that there's another O-ring here. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that as well. I think cleaning the O-ring inside the reservoir did the trick. Before, when I would run my finger along the edge here, water would seep through, and I don't see any water coming through anymore. So I hope this is the trick. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment below, and consider subscribing to my channel.